It's like a caramely cinnamon roll, but sourdough bread form. That looks delicious. I baked it in a Bundt pan. Here's how I did it. I just used my basic recipe and I'll put that in the caption. Stretch it out into a rectangle. There we go. Now we're gonna spread brown sugar across the whole thing. And I'm gonna give it a nice, good, thick layer. Add some cinnamon as much as you like. Add an entire stick of shredded butter. If you can keep the butter cold, that's best. These gloves are not gonna work. Just spread it out the best you can. Just like you're making cinnamon rolls, you're gonna roll this up. Into a log. Get your Bundt pan. This can totally be done in a Dutch oven or a loaf pan. I'm just doing it in a Bundt pan to make it extra pretty. I'm taking a piece of parchment paper and making a hole in it in the center, and then just doing the best I can. Take your whole roll and arrange it in your Bundt pan. Try to seam those edges together. This is what it looks like. I have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. Since I don't have a lid for my Bundt pan, I'm gonna take foil and just dome it over it. It's going in the oven now on a cookie sheet, and I'll let you know for how long. You almost forgot to remind me to score it. I'm just doing a real simple score. Now it's going in the oven. It baked for 50 minutes, 40 minutes covered, 10 minutes I took the foil off. And now we have to get it out of the pan. Let's let it cool and then we'll cut into it. It's been cooling for a little over an hour. Let's cut into it. It looks beautiful. Let's add a little extra butter. Still kind of warm. Let me show you the flaky. This is delicious. I'm gonna go finish this. Definitely make this one.